Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be decorating something. Where is it? Oh, I forgot about this. Halloween. You're having an iPad. Now it has like glitter all over it. But because I'll be back. Because I made a beautiful black clear slime, but it's not clear, as you can tell. And it has lots of black glitter in it. So I thought it would be fun to decorate. So, like 30 minutes ago, I opened up a Kawaii Slime box, subscription box, and I got these as like little toys. Sorry about my hands, they're kind of glittery, but they're like little balls, and they come in two colors. They come in orange and a green, and it also comes with some glitter, and I don't know where the ball went. That sounds so odd, but you know. It comes with some white glitter. So let's try to get the glitter. Oh, darn it. No. Where did they go? I'm searching. You know, I'll do that after the video. Okay, but I do have these, so we're just gonna place them in. Stuck on a sticky pad. And this slime is like really structured right now. So, you know, it's amazing, and it has amazing texture, and I don't exactly know what these are. And I'm not going to add in the white glitter because adding in the white glitter to this, it would seem very odd. So now we're going to decorate it even more. So I'm just going to part it up into two. One of them is bigger than the other. I know that. And I'm going to get some orange glitter, some orange food coloring, or the stuff to make it, which is, there's an orange here. I have a stuff, and we're going to make this one orange, and this one's just going to be black. So, yeah. That's a lot of pigment. I should probably center this to make it like beautiful. Oh my goodness, there's a bubble. Look at these. Green. It's like hitting the sunlight. We can resume. Wait. Okay. Here we go. No, we're not. Are we going like that? Okay. We're going like that. Don't fall. Interesting. It looks like brown. But you can't even see it really. But it does look like brown. Which kind of makes sense. But it also doesn't. So I'm just going to add in some glitter. Glitter makes everything perfect. Okay. Glitter. It's not really orange. It's kind of goldish. But it's all good. Because I don't think I can mix glitter. Well, I can, but like it won't turn orange. That's definitely better. You can definitely tell them apart, but it wasn't exactly what I was going for. But let's just do the mixing. So I have this, and I'll just look at this with proudness. And while you guys are looking at that, my circular container ready. Oh, darn it. Come on. Kind of looks horrible. Kind of doesn't. I don't know. But I am going to use the white glitter. Or actually, no. Then when I mix it, I don't know. Oh, God. So what I do is I put a little bit of glitter up there. I close it. And then I shake it. Because that usually works. We just need a little bit more glitter. Usually works. That's a little glitter. Okay, now for satisfying this. I would recommend doing this, but one of the cons of this is with adding all the glitter, it hasn't been as stretchy, but it's still very stretchy, and it almost got in my hair, but it's just not as stretchy. I felt like doing that, okay? But it is very, very stretchy. But it is, but it's not, like, you can definitely tell it's a little bit of a struggle for me. To stretch and everything, but overall, I would recommend doing this. Maybe just not use as much glitter and actually separate the parts. So, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell,